What's that? It's the Yikes virus, a very strong virus that causes stomach aches and diarrhea. I'm going to put this into ice cream and give it to children. Then they will be in terrible pain. They'll never be able to laugh.
Tummy. Oh, wow.
What? Candy Truck. Go to doctor and nurse.
Oh, stomach! Oh, I can't go out! It won't stop!
Candy Truck a virus concept. I recall the previous detailed explanation, and I am focusing on how it functions within the
universe. I'm considering the potential impact and implications of this unusual vehicle within that specific context.
Candy Truck a virus concept. I'm recalling the system instructions and pondering how to best address the request, particularly given Go to Hospital, Ontario.
I'm now revisiting the Candy Truck a virus concept. I recall the previous detailed explanation and focusing on how it functions within the Candy Truck Get Grounded universe. I'm considering the potential impact and implications of this unusual vehicle within that specific context.
What? Candy Truck How Dare virus of ice cream that's it grounded for 263 days. Police, go to Overheat right now!
I Want Candy Truck a Virus is the villain, distributing stomach ache ice cream as the delivery mechanism. This leads to a get grounded consequence for the characters. The core idea is that getting sick results in a grounding. Now I'm focusing on virus ice cream visuals and plot dialogue elements with a grounding consequence. Also, I'm now making it zero footprint and adaptive in tone and formatting.
Okay.
空を突き抜けて雲を裂いて闇を照らすよ俺たちの旗質問界のように高く飛べこの世界を彼の熱い鼓動を傷ついた腕でも礼儀にしねと手を離さない
Open door.
仲間の声が背中を押すか
Jail.
I told you, virus of ice cream that's it grounded for the 3186931.
I want open door person.
Candy Truck How Dare You virus of Hector Hyena and Izzy Iguana that's it grounded for 23ans. This mean no start to us now.
This means no TV, no games, no food, no screen, no computer, no more. Go to your room right now.